Toyota Argentina presented the new Corolla Cross with an urban concept and the Toyota DNA of quality, durability and reliability. The new Corolla Cross has two engine options, 2.0-liter dynamic force dual VVT-i with mixed injection and a power of 170 horsepower, coupled to the pre-programmed 10-speed direct shift CVT transmission, and Toyota's self-rechargeable hybrid system composite of a 1.8-liter VVT-i combustion engine that is combined with an electric motor, the eCVT transmission and a self-rechargeable battery. With a focus on design, interior space, ride comfort and safety, it was designed to convey the robustness and elegance of a two-turbine SUV. On the front, the double trapezoidal grille stands out, creating a broad and strong appearance. In terms of style, the design of the door handles in body color stands out, and the black plastic trim run along the entire side of the vehicle to its rear. At the rear, the headlamps hug the vehicle from the side with details such as the Corolla Cross lettering in the center and the rear spoiler adding dynamism. Inside, it has two types of material and its seats. The XLI and XEI versions have black fabric upholstery, while the SEG versions have natural and ecological leather upholstery also in black. The 3-spoke steering wheel with audio, telephone and multi-information display controls is covered in leather from XEI version. The XEI and SEG naphtha versions have steering wheel paddles for gear changes. The instrument panel has 3 gauges, one circle in the center where it is possible to view the speedometer and fuel level, a semicircular one on the left side which shows the revolution per minute or the indicator of the hybrid system, and the one that details the engine temperature. On the right side, a 4.2 color TFT screen stands out which shows the onboard computer with information such as fuel consumption and autonomy among other data. The price of the different versions of the Corolla Cross will be officially announced on April 1.